The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer brings together the clergy, the nobility, and the peasantry on a common pilgrimage to the shrine of Saint Becket. The group decides to tell stories on their way to lighten the mood and enjoy the trip. These stories range from moral to vulgar based on who tells them. The Canterbury Tales. It is a collection of stories told by different characters on a pilgrimage to Canterbury. Each tale reflects characters' background and beliefs, showcasing a wide range of human experiences and social classes. Chaucer uses humor and irony to explore themes like love, corruption, and the complexity of human nature. The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer offers stories that reflect the diverse lives and values of 14th century society. Each character's tale reveals their personality and social status, explores the themes like love, greed, and morality.